Rise and shine, Augustia. Hello?
Wait. What? What happened? What happened?
While you're asleep,
In my house?
go outside. And I got this. I'm spawning a redstone. Yeah.
What did you do?
3, 2, 1. I'm going up. It didn't really do that much. It didn't really do that much. How did your enchantment table survive this? How did your enchantment table survive? That's my question. Oh, it's made of obsidian, I forgot. It looks like obsidian from the bottom. Okay. So, give me a second. You know what? Let's just destroy this. Help me. Later we'll create our own world. New survival world. Look what I'm gonna do. Dig down.
Wait, don't explode it yet.
I'm not, don't worry. No, don't, no.
Yes.
You're killing me.
I know how to play. Go.
Oh my god.
This is my revenge.
Okay. No, I can reach you. Yeah. Duh. Now I can't beat you. Come on.
You're a visitor now. You can't place, break, or do anything.
My god. This was my world to start off with. This was my world to start off with. What if we call a truce? Okay?
Okay.
Stand right here.
This is how you handshake.
No. Not like that.
This is how you handshake.
Set both our worlds to survival.
Okay.
Was my own. Set me to survival. I'm setting myself to survival. We're both in survival, right? I can punch you. Okay.
Yeah. Wait, hold on.
No.
I knew it.
Die with me. Die with me.
Where are you? I have to kill you.
What if we call a truce and make a new survival world? There?
Like, survival?
Yeah.
Like, you're not just gonna want to have peace?
No, peace. Only peace. Only peace. Only peace. Oh.
I love killing you.
Why?
It's satisfying.
Okay, I'm gonna kill you then.
Yeah.
Before you kill me. I'm playing on mobile. Stop.
Yeah, that's why you're not doing that.
Yeah. Mobile is terrible. Okay. If you want so.
Let's go. You're creative now.
Yeah, I know.
Wow. Wow.
Perfect, right? Are you still in survival? Yeah, you're still in survival. I'm trapping you in. No, I'm trapping you in. Stop, I'm trapping you in. We die together, okay? One time. Okay, both change our...
You know, wait, I saw this command how to make like a gigantic explosion
Okay.
without TNT. Hold on.
Let me just get up here. I need to watch this.
This is like a huge explosion.
Why did you leave the game?
I didn't leave.
It says Tuki Food.
Here.
Yeah, it doesn't say it for me. Where are you?
I'm still in the game. Oh, I got disconnected.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm joining the world again.
Okay. Imagine if a hacker is actually hacking me right now and exited you out of the world. Ooh, I found my stuff. Okay.
Okay, I'm in.
Teleport to me. Right now.
Wait, hold on. This command doesn't work in Bedrock.
Doesn't work in Bedrock.
Okay, well, I can't do that. I was gonna summon a fireball that would explode in like 100 block radius.
Oh.
And also cause a bunch of fire. Do you know how to make a TNT launcher?
What?
Do you know how to make a TNT launcher?
No. Oh yeah, I saw a video once.
I'm gonna show you.
I'm just gonna light you up. Get it?
It launches you and like.
Oh, I thought it launches TNT. Okay.
I mean, there are some TNT launchers that do that, but this is a TNT player launcher. What I'm showing you.
Let me just collect all this. I found iron. That's cool. But only one iron piece, which is weird. Doesn't iron usually spawn in bunches?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Usually spawning days.
Okay.
Wait.
My god, it's 2:57 a.m. Or p.m. I don't know. I lose track of time. You spend like forever making your house. So I don't know.
Wait, did you say AM?
Yeah. I lost track of time.
PM.
Okay. Set your own world to survival.
Wait, no, I'm just getting one block.
Want to make in the next episode, want to make a real world survival where we just hang out and do nothing for the next episode?
Okay. Okay. Are
Okay.
you still recording?
Well, I'm still recording, yeah.
Okay.
Spawners? Okay. Whatever you say. I'm terrible at spelling it. How do you spell pressure plate?
Please go on.
Oh, got it. I forgot how to spell pressure plate.
Hey, no, stop.
Okay. That's how to light TNT without flint and steel. I mean, a redstone torch. Perfect.
I already knew that like a long time.
I'm a Minecraft noob. What are you doing? I don't even know.
I'm making
Guys, I really don't know what he's doing. This was not planned. Redstone, perfect. You know, let me just blow up this bunch of TNT. If you guys really want to see a new survival series in the next episode, please leave a like on this video. And if you don't, I still will. But please do. It helps the channel out. And don't forget to subscribe.
Saying that really helps the channel out. You're not making any money from this, obviously.
Imagine if I was. I got like 30 views.
You would need to have much more subscribers for that.
Well, I would be making like
And the will to
I would be making like 0.0000000 something from my videos.
No, you're not. You need ad revenue for that.
Yeah, true.
Alright, so go on this fence.
Okay.
Go on this fence. Stop flying.
Yeah, I know. Can you move out of my? I can
you're
see. Yeah, I'm on the ledge.
Okay, you're not flying? Wait, are
I'm.
you not flying?
I'm
If
not.
you're flying. Dude, you're flying.
No, I'm not flying. I'm actually not flying.
Okay, wait, do you have coordinates on?
Yeah.
Alright. Press the button.
Oh no. Oh God.
How high are you?
I reached like 200 something.
Hold on, let me try. This isn't that good of a player launcher. There are much better ones, but this isn't like the very basic. No, what are you doing? I'm at 240. Oh, I reached 240. But
Yeah, around.
I know the redstone.
What if you add more TNT? Can you do that?
I mean, you can make this launcher bigger, but I don't really want to. It's a nice simple launcher design.
Yeah. Ejection. Oh no. Gonna fly off together. I reached only 180.
I reached 170.
Yeah, I know, you were lower than me. Like you are in real life. 3, 2, 1, bam, 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 bam. Oh. Oh, I landed on a tree. Woo!
250.
Ah, nice. Nice.
Wait, how did you break the dispenser?
How did I break that? Yeah. I did like a bunch of TNT probably. Wait, I got an idea.
That was fun.
I got an. And boo! It doesn't shoot me far, but it shoots me. The only way to end a video: spawn a huge block of TNT and Agustia, or whoever your name is.
No, that causes a lot of lag. You know,
Yeah, that's the way to end a video.
I'm just gonna spawn a small block. Okay.
Wait, let me switch my game mode to survival. Now spawn huge blocks of TNT in front of me. Wait, how are you going so fast?
Yeah, I'm flying.
Mm. Yay! Hey now, did you blow it up yet?
No.
Blow it up.
Alright. Okay, I blew it up.
Okay, let's see.
Press F1.
It stopped hurting me. Oh my god!
That's a big crater.
Yeah. Okay, bye guys. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below if you want to
You don't
see.
have to because it really doesn't matter.
Comment down below if you want to see a survival series with me and
I'm
Tokifoon.
pretty sure barely anyone watches this, so I don't think anyone's actually going to comment.
Let's see. Guys, please leave a like and bye. See you next one.